Canada, Immigration New Brunswick NOC 9416941005, Metalworking and Forging Machine Operators, Work Permits.
New Brunswick issued work permits between 2015 and 2024 for metalworking and forging machine operators under the former 4-digit NOC code 9416, currently referred to as NOC 94105. A senior immigration counsel may use this data to strategize and SAP a program for clients. More details about SAPR can be found at https://ircnews.ca/SAPR. Details including data table can be seen at https://1polinsys.co.d.